Hi, Thomas from IA here. Today I'm at IA's Troutman St apartment here in Bushwick in Brooklyn. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with laundry in the building, an amazing backyard and rooftop access. It is within walking distance from the J, M and Z train and close to City Bikes. You can find amazing parks, restaurants, taco places and coffee shops in the neighborhood for you to hang out with your roommate or friends. Come with me, I'll show you around. Entering the apartment, you can see immediately here, cool living area, table to eat, it has a couch, lamp. Get over here the kitchen, comes fully equipped, so it comes with the toaster, all the kitchen utensils, microwave, oven and stove, also with cutting boards. You can find here all the cups, plates, glasses, everything you need for cooking a nice meal at home. Dishwasher, big fridge and freezer, big enough for everybody. There's enough space for all your groceries. TV over here. And here you can find room number 1. Room number 1 comes fully furnished. It has a full-size bed, nightstand, private balcony. And from here you can see the backyard. Fully furnished backyard. Free for everybody to use. Amazing for summer nights, gatherings, hanging out with friends, other people here in the building. Comes with a desk and chair to work or study. AC unit in every room. And here you can find a big closet with lots of closet space. You can see 2 shelves, hangers over there. Room number 2 comes with full-size bed. Also here nightstand, big windows. Desk and chair to work or study. Also over here, huge closet, enough hangers, lots of closet space. And last room, room number 3. As room number 1 and 2, it comes with a full-size bed. It has here a desk and chair to work or study. Big window, lots of closet space, hangers. And over here, bathroom. 1 full bathroom. That's it for IA's Troutman St apartment here in Bushwick in Brooklyn. We hope you liked it and we hope to see you soon.